This is interesting because we just had Greg Tordo from Goldman Sachs Asset Management, a small cap manager, on yesterday talking about some of the opportunities. But we'll take a look at one other facet of this story, which is the run that small caps have seen and what's been driving it. So what has been behind some of the upside volatility?
That's right, Dom. Thank you. And we've seen this tremendous everything rally, right? It's extended to the small caps. It's extended to gold, treasury yields yesterday hitting the lowest level since August. Even Bitcoin has been on a run up. And when you look under the hood, the options market, particularly in sectors like IWM, the Russell 2000, you're seeing people position for those gains to continue. People are paying up for options that could profit if those groups kept up this unbelievable rally. And it's really a sign of bullishness there.
Just how strong is the options activity on a relative basis compared to what it historically has been or what the average trading volumes have been? How many people are buying so-called call options or bullish bets on that small cap ETF?
It's been tremendous. We saw activity hit an all-time high on Friday. And yesterday, for example, calls activity in TLT, one of the biggest treasury ETFs, also hit one of the highest levels on record. So there's really been a burst of activity in these sectors. And, you know, the IWM trade has really been at the center of this soft landing trade that's dominated markets in the past few weeks. Of course, that is being tested this week.
Well, if you take a look at the reason why there is this buy everything mentality, is there a reason why they're focusing specifically on places like the treasury market and long-term treasuries, right? Because that's what the TLT tracks. And then small cap stocks, they seem like very opposite ends of this kind of market risk spectrum.
That's such a good point. They do seem like opposite ends, but they both come down to this wager that the Fed is going to lower interest rates next year. It's all about real yields declining, and people are expecting that to help treasuries. People are expecting that to help the smallest companies in the market, which, as you know, they tend to be the most leveraged. They're the most sensitive to interest rates and borrowing costs. And they've really gotten crushed over the past year. So I think now people are saying, hey, if yields fall as they have, if the Fed cuts next year, that could give that sector a boost. And people have been trying to catch up there. You know, that sector has underperformed this year, of course, underperforming the Magnificent Seven. And I think people are betting that maybe it can be this big rotation moving forward.
This kind of activity is great when it's working, but when it doesn't work, it can go wrong really quickly. That volatility aspect has been absent from the large cap market. The CBOE volatility index is languishing somewhere around 13 at this point, or maybe even below that. What's the outlook for volatility given the fast run up that we've seen in options activity tied to some of these parts of the market?
It's so fascinating because when you look at the S&P 500 index, people are not really expecting a lot of volatility there. The VIX has been edging lower towards some of its lowest levels this year. No one wants to hedge the S&P 500 right now. I think they're expecting things to stay calm and for the NVIDIAs and the Metas of the world to kind of carry us through the rest of the year. And that is so not the case in the Russell, which has been at the center of volatility. And I think people are expecting more fireworks there. There's really been some unbelievable divergences in how the Russell is trading compared with the broader market. It was up 3% on Friday, was holding on to some of its gains yesterday and trading before turning lower. So I think that's been at the center of market action. I think that's the biggest thing to watch, especially with jobs tomorrow, as to how people are positioning in the soft landing trade. That's where people are placing their bets.